day is long. What have we got here? Oh. That is a week's supply of beautiful pork fat. Which I bought from my organic butcher, and it was delivered straight to my door. This is 1 kilogram, and this only cost €3. I think it was €3.50 for 1 kilogram of, it's mostly fat, beautiful fat, and there's some pieces of bacon there as well, and it renders down to this amazing fat that you can use for all your cooking. And then you've got beautiful pieces of pork skin that you can make pork skin chips out of. You can fry them up and make them lovely and crunchy. Oh, it's bliss, man, it's bliss. And we're listening to Rare Video radio show on Flirt FM Galway. And that was Maireadni Waney from her beautiful solo CD, Imal. There's 3 beautiful tracks on that. That song was her singing for her beautiful little daughter when she was born, Nia Byrne. And now Nia can be seen on YouTube with her daddy, Dermot Byrne, playing her fiddle along with Dermot playing his beautiful accordion. And if you like that type of music, join me once every fortnight, Wednesdays at 2 p.m. Irish time, on the one and only, Galway's only alternative radio show station, Flirt FM, on my radio show, Rare Video, music to nourish and heal. And you can find my archive on Mixcloud. And my channel is called Music to Nourish and Heal, which you can also find by searching for Rare Video radio show. So have a beautiful day, and remember to take off your shoesies. Take them offy. Take them off. Okay? Okay? My who?